Hello and welcome to this quick student tutorial on how to log in, create a student profile, and schedule appointments through PimaConnect. PimaConnect is designed to connect you to resources and people that will support you as you work to achieve your academic goals. To begin, log into PimaConnect through your MyPima student portal. This can be done by logging into your MyPima student portal from the Pima main homepage. Once logged in, you will see your MyPima homepage. Go to the Students tab and choose Academics. From there, scroll down and choose Go to PimaConnect. If this is your first time logging into PimaConnect, please take a few moments to ensure your student profile is correct. This can be done by clicking on the menu bar to the left side of the screen, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Next, click the white drop-down arrow next to your name and choose Edit Profile. Please take a few moments to ensure your name, email address, and phone number are all correct. Next, you can click on Notifications tab to set up reminders for any appointments you might schedule with any staff or faculty. To schedule an appointment with someone within your Success Network, go to the menu bar and choose My Success Network. There you will see information regarding all the individuals who are part of your Success Network team. Simply click on the 3 dots to the right of the person's name and photo and choose Schedule. From there, you'll click on the type of service that individual provides appointments for. In this case, this individual is a program advisor. Click on Advising and Counseling and choose the reason for your appointment. Click on the Continue button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Next, you can choose the day and time you would like to meet. As you click on days, you will see various appointment options. If there is a day where appointments are not listed, this means all appointments for that day are full, or this individual is not available for appointments on that particular day. Sometimes clicking on a particular date will also display all available appointments within that week. In this case, a selection of Wednesday, June 30th at 9 a.m. has been chosen for an appointment time. Again, click on the Continue button on the right-hand bottom side of the screen. Now you can take a moment to type in any information you want the individual you're meeting with to be aware of. This includes any and all reasons for your visit. Once you've typed in your information, click Confirm once again on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Next, you will see a confirmation of the date and the time and any information related to how you can meet with the person you've scheduled your appointment with. This will also display any notes that you've added. You can choose to cancel or change this appointment, return to your main page, or view all upcoming appointments from here. Another way to see all upcoming appointments is to click on the menu bar and choose Upcoming. This will display any appointments that you've scheduled with anyone within your Success Network or the college. Another option to schedule appointments is to go to your dashboard. From your dashboard, scroll down to My Connections. Underneath an individual's name or photo, you will see the option to schedule. Simply click on Schedule and again choose a type of service appointment and follow the same steps we did earlier. And finally, you can search for individuals you want to schedule appointments for or resources by clicking on the search bar located underneath the My Success Network tab. You are now ready to begin using PimaConnect for contacts, resources, and other important information to help support your academic success here at Pima Community College.